Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you are well and good. So, in our today's video, we will see the workbook part of lesson 5. In our last video, we had seen and understood the word meanings of lesson 5. I hope that you all have written the word meanings in your classwork notebook with very good handwriting. Okay, so everybody open your workbook, page number 52, lesson number 5. How do you feel? Question number 1. Read the paragraph and answer the questions. So we all have understood the all paragraphs of lesson 5. So we will go through the exercises only. Okay. So here is the first paragraph, first question. What did the lion say to the sheep? Lion. What did the lion say to the sheep in this lesson? Answer. The lion said to the sheep that he wished to eat her for dinner. The lion said to the sheep that I want to eat you for my dinner. Next, number 2. What was the sheep's answer after the lion said that I want to eat you, sheep, for dinner? So, what did the sheep answer? Sheep told the lion to clean his mouth because it stank. The sheep was very intelligent, therefore, he found one idea to get rid from the lion. The sheep told the lion to clean his mouth because it stank. Bad smell was coming from the mouth of the lion. Originally, in fact, the bad smell was not coming. Okay, it was the trick of the sheep. Fill in the blanks. Third question. The lion was ferocious, means very wild and cruel. Okay. Number 2. The sheep got scared, means the sheep got frightened. Sheep बहुत ही डर गया था because उसके सामने there was the king of the forest, lion. Okay. Next. Number 3. The sheep was intelligent is the answer. Sheep was very clever. Okay. Next. Number 4. Choose the correct option. First, the sheep was. Answer C. Intelligent. Intelligent. Okay. Sheep was very clever. Number 2. The sheep said king. Answer is A. Your mouth stings. My dear king, the bad smell is coming from your mouth. Okay. First, how did the lion feel when he heard the sheep's answer? When the sheep said that, my dear king, your mouth is stinking, bad smell is coming from your mouth, what did the lion feel? How did the lion feel? Lion को कैसा महसूस हुआ? Answer. The lion was offended when he heard the sheep's answer. Lion was offended. Lion felt insulted. Lion को ऐसा लगा कि जैसे उसका इंसल्ट हो गया हो. Okay. Next. Turn the page. Okay. Page number 53. Second question. What did the wolf tell the lion? So after hearing from the sheep, lion went from there being offended. So on the way he came across the wolf. And what did the wolf tell the lion? Let's see. The wolf told the lion that his mouth could not sting. Right? Is hearing the question from the lion, the wolf said that the wolf told the lion that his mouth could not stink because he was the king of the jungle. वुल्फ ने ऐसा कहा कि माय डियर किंग, आपका माउथ कभी भी स्टिंक नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि आप तो जंगल के राजा हो. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 3. Fill in the blanks. The lion came across a wolf means the lion met the wolf. चलो, third question done. Question number 4. Write the correct option. First, the lion was not sure whether answer is C, his mouth stank or not. Lion was not sure. Lion sure नहीं था किसके बारे में कि उसका माउथ है वो स्टिंकिंग कर रहा था या नहीं. ओके, नंबर 2. The lion met a, answer is D, wolf on the way. Okay, third number. The lion was, answer is A, offended means felt insulted. Right? Fine. चलो, paragraph number 3, first question, page number 53. Here we go. First question. What did the lion feel about the wolf's answer? wolf के आंसर के बाद लायन को कैसा महसूस हुआ? The lion felt that the wolf was trying to flatter him. लायन को ऐसा लगा कि वुल्फ उसके साथ उसकी बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर रहा है, जो सच में सच नहीं है. क्योंकि वुल्फ ऐसा कर रहा था क्योंकि वो लायन से डर रहा था और उसके मन में डर था कि अगर मेरी किसी भी बात का लायन बुरा मान गया तो वो उसे मार देगा. राइट? फर्स्ट. चलो, सेकंड क्वेश्चन. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. द वुल्फ वॉज ए फ्लैटरर मीन्स अच्छी बातें बोलने वाला, जो सच में अच्छी बातें सच नहीं थी. क्वेश्चन 3. राइट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. फर्स्ट, द लायन वॉज श्योर that the wolf was trying to flatter him. Number 2, the wolf feared for his life. उसको अपनी लाइफ का डर था. ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ नंबर 4. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट डिड द फॉक्स प्रिटेंड? फॉक्स ने कैसी एक्टिंग की? The fox pretended to have a cold. फॉक्स ने ऐसा प्रिटेंड किया जैसे उसको कोल्ड हुई हो, सर्दी हो गई हो. ओके, क्वेश्चन 2, पेज नंबर 54, पैराग्राफ नंबर 4. चलो, फर्स्ट सेकंड. what did the fox tell the lion? What did the fox tell the lion? Answer. The fox told the lion that he had a bad cold and so he could not smell. फॉक्स ने लायन को ऐसा बोला कि उसको बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी जुकाम हो गया है, इसलिए वो स्मेल कर सकता नहीं अच्छी तरह से, इसलिए उसको पता नहीं चलता कि लायन का माउथ है वो स्टिंक कर रहा है कि नहीं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 2. Question 3, fill in the blanks. The fox was, answer, sly. The fox was sly means the fox was Okay, the fox was sly means he was a cunning animal, right? Chalo, question number 4. Write the correct option first. The fox was answer B, sly. Number 2. The fox pretended to answer C, have cold. Okay. Next, question 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. First, the lion was very poor animal. क्या lion बहुत ही poor animal था, गरीब? No. False. Number 2, the sheep was eating meat nearby. Very, very false, because sheep is a herbivorous animal. Number 3, the lion's mouth was clean. True, lion का माउथ क्लीन ही था, मगर ये तो sheep का आइडिया था lion से बचने का. Number 4, the wolf was flattering. Right, wolf was saying nice things to the lion. True. Number 5, the fox was honest. False, he was a sly, he was not honest. Next, read the paragraph and write true or false. Third question, true false. Number 1, page number 54. Yes is a student of 4th standard. Answer is false. He was studying in standard 5. Number 2, yes is a healthy boy. Right, he is a healthy boy. True. Chalo. Second paragraph first. Second paragraph first number. Yes never takes bath in the morning. False. Yes always takes bath in the morning. Okay. Chalo. Number 2. Yes brushes his teeth every day. Yes. True. He brushes his teeth every day. Number 3. Yes does not go for a walk. False. He goes for a walk. Number 4. Yes does exercise in the morning. True. वो morning में ही exercise करता है. Number 5. Yes gets up early. True. He gets up early in the morning. Number 6. Yes cuts his nails regularly. True. He cuts his nails regularly. Right. Chalo. Page number 55. Question 3. First, yes goes to bed late. False. He goes to bed early, time to time. Number 2. Yes reads in adequate light. Yes, enough light, no more, no less. True. Number 3. Yes wears dirty clothes. False. Yes wears clean clothes. Number 4. Yes does not have a balanced diet. False. Yes has balanced diet. Number 5. Yes keeps his surroundings dirty. False. He keeps his surroundings clean. Nearby area. Number 6. Yes always eats a lot of junk food. False. He never eats. He eats less junk foods. बहुत ही कम. Okay. Number 7. Yes watches TV from close distance. वो बहुत नजदीक से TV देखता है. No. Yes watches the TV from a certain distance. Question 4. Write 5 points to keep yourself clean. First, brush your teeth every day. Number 2, take bath every day. Number 3, wash hair regularly. Number 4, cut nails regularly. And number 5, wash hands and feet when you come home after playing. Okay, when you come home after playing. So these are the 5 points to keep yourself clean, जिसको हमने टेक्स्ट बुक में समझ लिया है. ओके, चलो क्वेश्चन 5. राइट 5 points to keep yourself healthy. तो question 4 was to keep yourself clean and question 5 is to keep yourself healthy. First, drink milk. Milk पीने से हम healthy रह सकते हैं because milk is a complete food. Number 2, eat fresh fruits and vegetables. हमें fruits और vegetables fresh ही खाने चाहिए. Number 3, exercise regularly. Very important part. एक्सरसाइज रेगुलरली करने से हम हेल्दी रह सकते हैं. नंबर 4, प्ले गेम्स इन द ओपन ग्राउंड. खुले मैदान में हमें गेम्स खेलनी चाहिए जिससे हमारा बॉडी को अच्छी सी एक्सरसाइज होती है. नंबर 5, रीड गुड बुक्स. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. हमें हमारी लाइफ में गुड बुक्स रीड करनी चाहिए जो हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाती हो. कोई पीपल तो ऐसा कहते हैं कि बुक्स आर द बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स ऑफ पीपल. चलो क्वेश्चन 6, राइट 5 एडवांटेजेस ऑफ डूइंग एक्सरसाइज. अब एक्सरसाइज करने से हमें क्या एडवांटेजेस मिलते हैं, हमें कौन से फ़ायदे होते हैं उसके बारे में हम जानेंगे क्वेश्चन 6 में. फर्स्ट, इट रिलैक्सेस योर ब्रेन. ये हमारे ब्रेन को रिलैक्स करता है. नंबर 2, इट कंट्रोल्स योर वेट. ये हमारे बॉडी के वेट को कंट्रोल करता है, ज़्यादा वेट बढ़ जाता नहीं. नंबर 3, यू स्लीप बेटर. लेसन एक्टिविटी में हमने जाना था ना टेक्स्ट बुक में, यू स्लीप बेटर. आपको अच्छी नींद भी आ सकती है. एंड यू नेवर फॉल इल. आप कभी बीमार पड़ सकते नहीं. एंड द नंबर 5 इज your body gets stronger and healthier. यहाँ पे आ रहा है क्या? ओके, your body gets stronger and healthier. आपकी बॉडी स्ट्रॉन्ग और हेल्दी हो जाएगी. राइट. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इट वॉज वर्कबुक पार्ट क्वेश्चन 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So see you again in our next video with question 7. Thank you everybody. Bye.